Okay, today I'm on a no AC call. These two are running, and this one is not. Let's see what's going on. Let's make sure you guys can see what's also going on. The compressor does not appear to be hot. Okay, we have two capacitors in here. Contactors not pulled. So one of them went bad. Somebody added a second one. Contactors not pulled. Ooh, look at that. Loose wire. Good thing that didn't create a short. This is going to be an easy one. Okay, so we're not bouncing the unit on and off. Let's just quickly disable this. I like easy ones. Okay, that was easy. Make sure this won't fall off. Okay. Somebody probably came through here, kicked it, we hit it with something, caused it to fall out. But we have dead hair there, so I'm gonna try not to touch. We're back on. Turn off. A perfect job for the end of my day. Sometimes it can be that easy. Good. Okay. And they're back on. Just tie it up. Tamper-proof lock. This is probably by far one of the easiest ones I've seen in a long time. Until next time, I'm the HVAC Hacker. I'm out.